Hi there, this is Andrew at 20i. The primary goal of HostShop is to make it quick and easy for you to create hosting packages and then sell them through your white labeled control panel. In order to set up hosting packages, you'll first need to make sure that you're logged into my.20i. Once you're logged in, you'll then need to head to the HostShop section, and then you'll need to select the product catalog icon. Here, you'll then be taken to the Hosting Services and Add-ons tab. From this point, you'll then be able to add the hosting products you want to sell to your own customers. To add a new service, select a hosting package type from the Add Service section. You can create and edit the hosting package types from the Hosting Package Types section of the control panel, which is accessible by going to the my.20i homepage and selecting Hosting Package Types under Reseller Preferences. In our example, we're going to select WordPress Unlimited. Once you've selected the hosting package type and then selected Add Hosting Products, you can then start adding your own pricing and selecting which renewal periods you'd like your customers to be able to renew using. In our example, we're going to set up 2 renewal periods with their own price. Monthly renewal is selected by default. However, we want to give our hosting service a price. Your price will depend on how much service you're offering, so for WordPress Unlimited, we're going to set the price to $14.99 a month. Once we're happy with that, we'll enter the price and then just select Save. We should note that you can also select which payment types you'll accept for this particular service, though generally you'll want to leave this option set to all payment types. Next, we're going to add an annual price. To do this, we'll need to select the Add Renewal Period drop-down and then select Annually. Once we're happy with that, we'll then just select Add Renewal Period. We'll then see another tab appear called Annually. Here, we can add our annual renewal price, as we did with the monthly offering. In our example, we're going to offer an incentive to pay annually by offering 2 months free included in the price. So we'll simply times our monthly price by 10 for the 12 months of service. Now that we have 2 services set up, or 2 renewal periods, we'll now head on over to our HostShop installation, where we can see that we now have a hosting service that a customer can sign up to online automatically and select to renew either monthly or yearly. We hope this has helped. If you have any further questions, please get in touch.